First thing I would look at is the 240, because it's going to divide, right? So I need to write that down. So 240. And I'm looking for, certainly got prime factorization of it. So it would be 5 times 48. Let me just check that. 5 times 48 is 240. Yeah, 240. And looking at the 48 now. And I'm going to say 5 times, let's see. I say 6 times 8, right? All right, I'm starting to notice things about this. I notice there's a 5, an 8, and then the 6 is really just 3 factorial. So I don't see much further as far factorials involved there. So let's look what they want. And here's what they said. They said n is odd and greater than 1. So let me write this down. So n, the type of numbers it can be, are integers. They're odd integers, but greater than 1. So 3, 5, 7, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so a couple of things I would do is, first thing I'd recognize is that n5 minus n is divisible by 5. That's the first thing I would note. So I got this covered. I know it divides by 5. And now what I need to do is, I'm going to look at the, I'm hoping to get, it also divides by other things as well. So let's take a look at that, one step at a time. I'm going to factor it. And it's not a bad factorization problem. Factor out an n. The 4th degree minus 1 factors nicely. And it kind of proceeds along nicely. And now I'm looking at this thing, and I notice it's over here, consecutive integers. How many? 3. So it's also divided by 3 factorial. All right. Now I'm worried about the 8 now. And what I'm going to do there to do that is I'm going to see if I can get it to divide by 8. And what I do over here is I'd make a substitution, which I probably should have done from the beginning, but we'll do it now. So I'm going to say that n, which is an odd integer, could be represented by 2m plus 1, with the fact that m starts at 1. So let me write that down. In this case over here, m would have to be from this set over here. 1, 2, yada, yada, yada. Like if it's 1, what you get? 3. If it's 2, you'd get 5. 3, you get 7, so forth and so on. And then what I do, I plug it in and expand it, all right? I know it seems difficult, but I did expand it for you. All right, let me put on what I mean by that. I'm plugging in 2m plus 1 to the 5th power minus 2m plus 1, and I multiplied it out. Now again, I'm not going to bore you with the details, but you get this over here. And what do I need to notice about that? I could factor out an 8. So let's do this by 8. All right, we showed it's divisible by all those factors. Thank you.